Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So in today's video, we are going to make something very quick and simple. So in today's video, we're going to try this West African banana bread mix by Sasas Mix. So they contacted me and they wanted me to try this. I am excited to try this. This is actually my first time trying banana bread mix packed already. Usually I make it from scratch, so I'm excited to see how this turns out. I love the packaging of this bag. It's really nice. It shows you exactly what you're gonna make. So this is gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, nut-free, has no preservatives. Of course, it tells you that you should be adding some milk here, but it tells you milk of choice. So if you're someone who doesn't drink regular milk, you can go ahead and use like cashew milk, almond milk, whatever type of milk you would like, and you're still gonna get a good result. So what you need here, you need 3 to 4 ripe bananas. I have 3 here because I don't want too much banana, but they said 3 to 4. 1 cup of milk of choice. I just have a regular whole milk here. 1/3 cup of oil. They also tell you to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced ginger for an authentic taste. Ginger straight from Cameroon. This is the one that I use to cook. I can't find the one that I use to drink because this is a little bit stronger than the one that you use to drink. So I'm going to probably put like 1 teaspoon of this, or even less because it's very strong. Let's get started. I'm also going to link below the website and the discount code. So I am going to mix all of this together. I'm going to divide this into 3. I'm going to make one just plain cupcakes, and some of it is going to have coconut, some is going to have M&Ms, and some are going to just have regular chocolate. I'm going to add a little bit of the ginger and we're going to whisk it together. I'm guessing this is going to be really gingery, but let's see. Hopefully I don't spoil it with the extra ginger I added. I am going to put mine in here, and then the rest we're gonna put it into like a cheesecake baking pan. So now I'm going to add my coconut in 2 of the cupcakes, the M&Ms in 2 of the cupcakes, and this chocolate in 2 of the cupcakes. So here it is. Here are the little cupcakes and the banana bread. There you go. So we're just gonna try to remove. Oh, they come out so easily. Oh my god, look at that, so easily. Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. Wow, it comes out really easily. So let's flip this in here. Ooh, look at that. It smells really good. I won't lie, it smells really good. So let's cut this one. So I am going to cut it this way. Oh, look at that. So this is the one that had M&Ms. This is the one that had coconut. It's really good. Thank you so much, Sasas Mix, for sending me this. I really enjoy having fun with it and playing with different flavors. I added coconut in mine, M&Ms, and chocolate, and they came out really good. I love it. Make sure to go and check out her website. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button if you like this video, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not yet done so, as well as the notification bell. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.